Why should we use two-factor authentication? Most of us use a password to secure our computers, online accounts and email. However, a lot of people don't choose strong and unique passwords for every system they use. Cybercriminals regularly exploit this weakness in order to gain access to systems and information. Even when a strong and unique password is used, there is always a danger that a cybercriminal could steal your password or trick you into revealing it. It is recommended that you reinforce the security of your personal data by using two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. In a two-factor authentication system, the user must provide two pieces of information to confirm who they are. These are usually separated into three categories: knowledge, possession, inheritance. Knowledge authentication refers to something you know. It could be a password, a PIN number, or the answer to a security question. Possession authentication is where you prove that you have access to a physical device. This could be connecting using a USB key, swiping an access card, or entering a code that has been sent to your mobile phone via text message or through an authentication app. Inheritance authentication uses biometric information to confirm your identity. This could be a fingerprint, retina scan, or voice recognition. The most common form of two-factor authentication is the combination of a password and a code sent to your mobile phone. While there is still a chance that a cybercriminal could compromise both of these authentication methods, it is significantly more secure than using a password on its own. Two-factor authentication makes it harder for criminals to compromise your accounts. Your passwords still need to be strong, unique, and kept secret. If you are using a mobile device to receive authentication codes, ensure that it requires authentication to be unlocked.